Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah Shuklam Brahma Vichara Sara Parama Adyam Jagat Vyapini Veena Pustakadharini Mavayam Jadyandakarapam Haste Spatikamali Vidadati Padmasane Samsitam Vande Tam Parameswarim Bhagavatim Buddhi Pradam Saradam Nacholyaharyam Navatribhadyam Nachabharakari Vyaye Krite Vardhataiva Nityam Vidyadhanam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam Vidyadhanam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam. Which date is today? 2081 9/29. Monday means today is the last day of Pousha. And tomorrow is the first day of Magh. And Magh is Sankranti, that is New Year's of Tharu and Magar. Happy New Year, right? So, coaching class will be also closed, right? And you enjoy your vacation. And next day, again from Wednesday, regular coaching continues, right? And the coaching classes will go up to Friday, and regular classes plus coaching classes will continue from next Sunday. And another Saturday there is your result. Remember how you have done. Okay, I had given you some tasks yesterday. So who is interested to read here? Please come. Because if you come with interest, that's much better. Please come with your copy. Come with your copy. Okay, Krizal is ready. Krizal, did you complete all work? Okay, please come.
Good morning, everyone. So I am here to discuss about yesterday's question. First question 21 number was explain the process of formation and death of a star. Due to regular attraction of gravity on the particles and lumps of nebula, the matters collide together and temperature of the region increases. When the temperature reaches close to about 1 million degrees centigrade, that means 8 into 10 power 6 degrees centigrade, it is called protostar or a pre-age star. The continuous collision of matters speeds up the rise in temperature. When the temperature is 10 to the power 7 degrees centigrade, nuclear fusion begins to change by hydrogen into helium and a star is born. So in this way a star is formed. So next part is after supernova explosion, if the remnant core is 1.4 to 3 solar mass, it condenses in the area about 20 square kilometer. It creates so extreme gravity that all the protons and electrons of the core compress into neutrons and neutron star is formed. If the remnant was more than 3 solar mass, it forms a black hole, while has so extreme gravity that even light cannot escape from it. Black holes may be formed by the collision of two neutron stars also. So in this way star is there. And 22 number was of diagrammatic equation, and the given diagram, this diagram was of sodium. And first question is the given element metal or non-metal? Why? The given element is metal because it has valency 1. Metals having valency 1, 2, 3 are metal, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are non-metals. And the valency of element is 1. Why? It is because it has one valence electron, and also it can lose one electron to be in octet state. That means it can be stable. How does atom take part in chemical reaction? This atom takes part in chemical reaction by losing electron. That is one electron. Write the name of molecule formed by reacting it with chlorine. So given diagram is of sodium. So when it reacts with chlorine, it forms sodium chloride, that is NaCl. Last question 23 number was study the given chemical equation. and answer the following question. So chemical equation was calcium carbonate while heating gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So first question A was express the given equation in the form of formula equation, that was CaCO3 under heating gives CaO, that is calcium oxide plus CO2 arrow upwards, that is inflammable gas, and write any one information that can be obtained from the given equations. Information is name of the molecules can be identified, and one limitation is it does not say about how much time it will take. And last was the draw the structure of carbon dioxide. So we have to draw like this structure. It is covalent bond of oxygen, carbon, and oxygen. So thank you.
Thank you very much. So, in such way, you have to be smart. So, always make one mantra. What is that mantra? I don't know. Discard it. Let me try. Introduce it. So, those people who try, they become successful. Understood or not? So, whether your study is up to date or not, whether your handwriting is up to date or not, let me try. I don't want to hear anybody saying, I don't know. Clear? Okay, so we'll continue our study work. Yesterday we discussed the first chapter. What is the first chapter? First chapter was scientific learning. Now today we are discussing the second chapter. What is the second chapter? Classification of living beings. Monkey, in which kingdom does it lie? Amoeba? Amoeba, monkey? Protista, that's right. Okay. Bacteria? Monera. Mushroom? Fungi. These things you have to remember. Actually, how do you define classification of living beings? So, what is the definition here? Can you see? The process of dividing living beings into groups and subgroups according to their similar and dissimilar properties is called classification of living beings. Right? According to their similar characteristics and dissimilar characteristics, we categorize them into different groups and subgroups, that is classification. Oh, by the way, who started this classification system? That's why he's called father of modern taxonomy, modern taxonomy, right? Now, here are some importance of classification. What is the first one? What is the first one? It helps to find the facts about the evolution. Evolution means formation of complex organisms from simpler ones. Okay, and it helps to study the living beings in a short time. Within short time, we can find out. By the way, how many types of, how many species of plants and how many species of animals are known till now? It is estimated that 5 million plants and 15 million animals. 5 million plants, 15 million animals. Still, many are left. Now it is your duty. When you grow, and if you are interested, then we can do some sort of research, find new and new type of organisms. It makes it easy to give scientific name. What is the scientific name of tiger? Panthera tigris. Ashwinji, now post is going to finish. No cup. Next Ashwin we can talk. Because in next Ashwin there is a whole month holiday. Enjoy. But other time study. Homework not done. Fatar with our Tejas Kumar Babu. Is describe the natural interrelationship of living beings. We discuss different type of interrelationship, right? In natural environment, discuss or not? Mutualism, parasitism, commensalism, predation, right? Symbiosis, etc. And next, competition. Mutation is not the relation. Mutation is different thing. Okay. and makes the study of living beings easier and scientific. Binomial system of nomenclature. What is the next heading? Binomial. Bi means two, giving two names. Here are binomial systems. Like what is the binomial? What is the scientific name of mustard? Brassica campestris. What is that? Brassica campestris. P. Pisum sativum. Maize. Zea maize. Potato. Solanum tuberosum. Man. Homo sapiens. Woman. Also Homo sapiens. Dog. First. Cow. Taurus. Okay. And who gave this idea? Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. So binomial system. How do you define genus and species? What is genus? Group of species having maximum similar characteristics. Like group of cell is called tissue. Group of species is called genus. What is species? Group of similar organisms having ability of reproduction to each other. They can reproduce. Do cow and buffalo belong to same species? Cow and buffalo, can they reproduce themselves? No chance. That's why they are not same. And here is hierarchical level of taxonomy. What are they? What is the hierarchy of taxonomy? Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, species. Right? And what can you make here? Inverted pyramid. What is this one? Species. This one, genus. This one, family. Then this one, order. Then this one, class. Then next one, phylum. Then next one, kingdom. KPC, OFGS. What is the name is here? KPC, OFGS. But in case of animal, phylum, in case of plants, there is division. There is division. Eh? What a lovely pyramid shown here. Kingdom, division, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. This is the hierarchy of mustard. Kingdom, plantae. Division, tracheophytes. Class, what is class? Angiosperm. Order, brassicales. Family, Brassicaceae. Genus, Brassica. Species, Campestris. Scientific name, Brassica campestris. Right? Humans, kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Mammalia. Order, primates. Family, Hominidae. Genus, Homo. Species, Sapiens. 5 kingdom system of classification. Who gave this idea? Robert Harding Whittaker in 1969 AD, right? There were some problems, shortcomings, or some of the problems were not solved by 2 kingdom system. What were their problems? Number 1, prokaryotes and eukaryotes were not kept separately, they were kept together. Unicellular and multicellular organisms were also not separated, they were kept together. Photosynthetic, what is my photosynthetic? Produce food themselves. And non-photosynthetic animals, organisms were kept together. And all organisms could not be included correctly. That's why there was entry of hero. Who is that hero? Robert Harding Whittaker in 1969. See, he took these headings like division of cell, prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. According to that also they are divided. And next one, body structure, unicellular or multicellular. According to cell wall, with cell wall, without cell wall. And mode of nutrition, How many mode of nutrition are here? Three. What are they? Autotrophic? No, two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Right? And that is the thing we have to rediscuss about at first kingdom Monera. What to discuss? Monera. I think Monera is the kingdom which contains poorly developed organisms. Mainly they are prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means their cell contains nucleus which is poorly developed. Not all parts are present. What are the four parts of nucleus? What are they? Nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, and chromatin fiber. Either chromatin fiber or you can say chromosomes. Right? So they don't have these things in their cell, and they are unicellular. All are unicellular. They can survive in adverse conditions. Stand up and catch it. Catch it. Bimali. Or you have to do khata. Huh? You go. You can go and just make that stage. They didn't study during the time of study. They moved here and there, and now they got the lovely duty. Learn from them. This is a time to study, focus. Swanimal, stand up. Ayahs are vacuum somewhere else. You can do that. Dishwashing, cleaning. Huh? They will have to use your sense organs. Mouth is not sense organ. Why are you using? Mouth is for eating, not for disturbing others. There is tongue for tasting only, not for talking enough. So they may be autotrophic, manufacture their food themselves, parasitic, obtain food from other organisms, living organisms, saprophytic, obtained from dead and decaying matter, or symbiotic. Symbiotic means they live in others' body, but they do not harm. That is symbiotic, living together. And Monera are divided into three categories. What are they? Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, and Cyanobacteria. Remember their names. You are here for understanding matter. Handwriting, not improved. Characteristic, not improved. And complaint comes. Must be up to date. So, Archaebacteria are the oldest bacteria which can survive in very, very extreme conditions, like very hot, very salty, very marshy. Marshy places means where there is decaying matter, where decomposition is going on. They contain chlorophyll. Examples, what are they? Hyperthermos, pyrobus, etc. And eubacteria are called true bacteria. So, example of eubacteria are Rhizobium, Clostridium, and cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae. What do you call them? Blue-green algae. Remember these things. And what are the examples? Nostoc, Anabina, Nostoc, Anabina, and Spirulina. Next one is Protista. What is the main characteristic of Protista? They are unicellular and eukaryotes. Eukaryotes means their cell contains well-developed nucleus. Most of them are unicellular, some may be multicellular. They can move from one place to another with the help of pseudopodia, cilia, and flagella. What is your pseudopodia, cilia, and flagella? And Some are parasites. Examples are amoeba, euglena, paramecium, etc. And what is the last kingdom? Fungi. Out of 5 kingdoms in class 9, we'll discuss 3 kingdoms. 2 kingdoms we'll discuss in class 10. So some days are left. Now we are in class 9. So it's the last day of Poush. March, Phagun, Chait. Within Chaitra, your result will be published. If you pass, you will go be in higher class. Otherwise, be friends with that junior level students. Then you can say, last year I was in this class. This year also I am in this class. And now my aim is to be in this class next year also. Tali, tali, tali. You ocean of Gali. Kingdom fungi. Which organism belong to fungi? Mushroom, mucor, right, yeast, etc. Achlorophylus. What is my achlorophylus? They do not contain chlorophyll. They are saprophytic. Saprophytic means they obtain their food from dead and decaying matter, saprophytes. And their bodies are thalloid, means root, stem and leaf are not differentiated. Root and leaf is not differentiated. Their body is mycelium. Mycelium means their body contains such thread-like structures, not well developed. Next important thing is, what is here? They store food in the form of glycogen. Green plants, they store food in the form of starch. But these fungi are not plants. They obtain food from dead and decaying matter and store in the form of glycogen. And how many types of fungi are there? How many types of fungi? 3 types of fungi. What are they? Saprophytic fungi, parasitic fungi, symbiotic fungi. What is by saprophytic fungi? They obtain food from dead and decaying organic matter. Example, mucor, mushroom, penicillium. Their food is present in dead and decaying matter. Act on them immediately. Parasitic fungi. From where do they get their food? Yeah, they obtain from living things. They are dead things. Example, Puccinia, Taphrina. Symbiotic fungi. They survive through symbiotic relationship. Means both are benefited. They stay inside that organism but do not harm. Example is lichen. What is here? Lichen. So in lichen, fungi provide habitat and water, whereas algae prepare carbohydrate to the fungi. So living together. This is the chapter classification of living beings. So here are some MCQs. Let's discuss. Okay. Group A, Group B, Group C. Group C, your turn. What is the correct option of 1? B you think second one, A you think third one. Okay. Group C A, Group B B, Group A C. Protista. Which kingdom does blue-green algae belong to? Protista. They said Protista. Are you sure? Group B? Blue-green algae belongs to Protista. We discussed just before bacteria. Blue-green algae is a kind of bacteria. Bacteria belongs to Monera. Your answer is 100% wrong. What is the correct answer? Monera. Hey, remember. Your turn. What is the answer? Animals is given. What characteristic makes the euglena different from other animals? See? Do you know what is the correct answer? Group A. See? Group A. Unicellular. Presence of chlorophyll. Euglena contains chlorophyll. It can manufacture food, but it is not plant. It is not plant, but manufactures food. This is the thing. Okay? Remember. Group A. I think it is easy for them. Who is that? Carlos Linnaeus. Are you sure? Carlos Linnaeus. You Bimali, you are talking. Now D. So what is the you are easy, eh? Which kingdom does the organism without a definite nucleus in their cell belong to? Without definite means without a well-developed nucleus. Fungi. Yes, Swarnima, fungi is right. Number D. Which option is correct? What is spectacle? First use spectacle. Doing like that. Spectacle is there. Kizal Kharka is using spectacle regularly. Sorry? Monera. So Monera, that's right. Monera contains the organisms without a definite nucleus. Bimal, you focus, right? Fungi. Mushroom boy. Okay, these are Bhandari. Number E. Stand up and read. Prokaryotic organism. Prokaryotic means there is nucleus which is not well developed. There is no definite nucleus. What is the option? A number. Read. Azobacter. Bacter. You know only two words. Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Which one is the option? Which is the correct answer? Yes, sir. Read. Azobacter. What is it? Azobacter. Is Azobacter correct answer? Give a big round of applause. Okay. So children, listen now. At first, what are you going to do? You are going to read the chapter. Which chapter? Classification of living beings, living organisms within 15 minutes. How many minutes? Afterwards, I will give you some tasks. Is that clear? Your reading time starts now. Come on.